Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm telling you a very unique way that how you can decorate your shirts and how you can make them more fancy, formal, and whatever type of designs you want to do. I will tell you in this video. Friends, you have never watched such ideas on any other channel before, so I will tell you a very easy way that if you have a simple plain shirts at your home, you can decorate it. As you see, I have a paper with a heart shaped. Now what I'm gonna do is to just fix these on the shirt. This is my simple plain top and it will look very beautiful. Friends, you believe me, this is the idea which you can anyone can do that. If you don't even know the basics of the stitching or the basic of the designing, anyone, even a little girl and a teenager can do this designing on their shirts. Okay, whatever design you want to make, just take the shape on the paper and put it on the shirt and fix it. Okay friends, now let's get started. Okay friends, you have to take some German glue and just apply this on the area on the cloth. Not use too much and not use a very little. Now as you see that I have some glitters, you can easily buy it from rupee 20 or 30 from any general store. These glitters are of they are very cheap and you can buy this and you can make any design with them. Don't worry, I will tell you all the things that how to wash that type of cloth or whatever you want to do. Whatever color you want to use, you can use it, just like I'm using two colors. One is golden and the other one is blue. Just tap the area for at least few seconds, and now I'm gonna cover the second one. And from here I will use the color golden. Just apply all the glitter and tap it down. I'm also using a tint of blue color on this golden. Now after at least 15 minutes, just take the paper away. It's almost dry. Remember that glue should be at least dry before you take away the paper. Okay friends, it's almost ready. You can see it's looking so beautiful. You can make any design with this glitter foam. Don't worry, it will not come out of their places because I will tell you a very good way that how you can make it perfectly. What you have to do is to leave this shirt for at least one day. Then you have to clean with the tissue paper the extra glitter on the area or with the brush, and then just turn the fabric and iron the hearts from the back side of the cloth, just as I show you in the last video with the glitter work. Thank you so much for watching my video, friends. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.